Okay. Good evening. Namaskar. We are live now. I am Rudir Bhalla from Wealthy Walls, a review-based professional platform on various aspects of real estate. We are happy to present another candid and professional live chat show on most common practical challenges, which buyers face when they start searching for their house, the most treasured possession in their lifetimes. Which area to choose, which location I should have my home in, what is the future of that location, which developer to go for, delivery track record, amenities in the project, quality of construction, level of maintenance, and probably the right pricing. So, understanding of all these pros and cons of all these points, I guess, is very important for our customers to make a well-informed decision, before they take a final, I would say, decision. So, therefore, expert and unbiased guidance always helps. To understand these finer points, I have with me Major General Satish Sahajpal, an IIT Kharagpur alumni, general in army, and a leading opinion leader in real estate development. A very warm welcome to you, sir, and over to you.
Thank you, Rudir, and a very good evening to our viewers. Um, we had embarked upon sharing with our viewers some interactive sessions with regard to position and option of real estate in Gurgaon, particularly for the benefits of the potential buyers.
Yeah.
In the interactive series, the first two sessions we have had covering the master plan of Gurgaon so that we can understand the overall picture. And thereafter, we had taken the viewers through the three prominent development corridors by the name of Golf Course Extension Road, New Gurgaon, and last but not the least, Dwarka Expressway. We'd also
Right.
very briefly mentioned the important developments and the developers which are coming up in these areas. As an ongoing continuation of that series, Rudir and I then we decided that let's now get on to the specifics and pick up clusters of projects and the developments, which will actually help the potential buyers to know about the projects and be able to make up their mind as to where they would like to go and visit the site, which can also be facilitated by the Wealthy Walls. As the serial number one of that series, we have brought a cluster of projects on the golf course extension route. And from here onwards, we will continue with the subsequent lectures or the
Great.
interactions.
Yeah. Yeah. So, shall I start, sir, with my first question to you?
Please, kindly go ahead.
Great. Uh, Golf course extension area has risen to prominence. In fact, it is becoming landmark in quality, high-end residential, commercial, and a corporate development. In fact, owning a house in golf course extension has now itself become an address. I want you to highlight any new significant development which is happening in that area, which you feel is important for our customers to know. Or rather, I would say our customers should know about that development. If at all, if you can share a bit about it.
Sure, Rudir. Rudir, on the golf course extension road, we are aware that there are a large number of developments that are taking place, starting with the M3M and EMARS, IREO, Mahindra. Recently, Birlas have come and launched a project in this area. Uh, on the whole, in terms of the development plan in this particular area, there are approximately 15,000 units. So that's the size of the development that's going to be taking place in this
Okay.
general area.
Right.
And in the midst of all this, besides the dwelling units, we also have schools, large number of commercial. Almost every developer worth the name has come up with their projects in terms of commercial, in terms of retails, office
Right.
blocks, and so on. And there are well-known schools. and the best hospitals in Gurgaon or in entire NCR are actually in a drivable distance from this location. To mention a few, you have Artemis, you have Medanta, you have Max, and so on. So this
Correct.
entire area actually is coming up, and uh, you and I visited a very attractive project here by the name of Merlin.
Right.
Merlin is a project where some development is taking place, some more is taking place now, and I think it will be interesting to familiarize with our viewers with the
Okay.
specific developments that are going to be taking place here.
Okay. Okay. So I'll just take you to the slides, sir, if you allow.
Yeah, please go ahead, because the endeavor will be first for me to take everybody through the Merlin project as a whole.
Okay.
After having spoken about the Merlin project, then the recent developments that is going to be happening within the Merlin project, which is what is of specific interest to me, which I want to share with our viewers. We will then
Okay.
be coming on to that with a brief mention of what price ranges, etc., are being offered by the developer. If you
Right.
don't mind, please go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. So here I would have a slide which is of course talking about the location of Merlin, and therefrom maybe you would start.
Yeah, as you can see, very correctly, you have pointed out, Merlin is located in Sector 67. It's a 13.34 acres of land parcel on which 10 towers have been built already. There are approximately 500 units where 500 families are already staying here. It's a gated colony with a very secure access control. The facility management is being carried out, has been handed over to a very well-known facility management company. And the architecture of the project is on Singapore lines. It's got beautiful ornate plants. There are, if you can just show me the project per se, there is a lovely
Yeah.
club which is fully operational. And
Right.
fairly high profile people are staying there, because in terms of security, in terms of maintenance, in terms of facilities that are being provided, which are
Okay.
actually in keeping with the stature of the people who are coming and staying here. Actually, you will find that is the kind of people with that kind of a background actually who have already come and inhabited there.
Okay.
What you are showing here, I guess, is the standalone tower, which is the Tower 11. Uh,
Okay.
which at the moment the Merlin has got, as I mentioned, G plus 15 to G plus 34 towers, and it has got sports facilities by way of tennis courts, basketball courts, badminton
Right.
courts.
So we can have some.
Uh,
Yeah. These are the real
yeah,
pictures.
yeah, these are the real pictures. What is interesting is that there are a large number of water bodies which has been described by the architect as uh, the lazy river. There is a
Okay.
very fancy club. If you see the inside, it's fully operational. Last time when I visited Merlin, I had the good fortune of going and having some snacks here. It's a
Right.
completely operational 5,000 square feet of club. It
Yeah.
has got completely operational shopping complex.
Hmm.
So for your daily needs, one doesn't have to step out of the project area at all. As you can see, there are wonderful sports facilities.
Right.
There is a half Olympic size swimming pool. There are yoga facilities and various other sports facilities. So that's what the project Merlin itself is a fully operational project now. So anybody who chips in or who opts to go and become member of the Tower 11 can
Right.
actually go and book into the Tower 11, move into one of the flats, and once this tower is ready, then you can actually just simply sidestep. We come specifically to number Tower 11, which is what is up for sale now. Uh,
Hmm.
it is uh, it is a steel plus 30-story building, which has
Yeah.
got 4 units to each floor. There are 122 units total, and
Okay.
each one of them is 3 BHK plus a study. 3 BHK plus a study. The general area is 2,400 square feet, and it's got double height stilt. And the specifications that are being provided are the hob and chimney in the kitchen, and it has got VRV air conditioning facilities, wooden flooring, and the latest and the most modern toilet fitments is what is being provided here. The construction of this tower is about to begin, and
Yeah.
we visualize in about 2.5 years time. Although the developer has taken 3 years actually, but
Mm.
because everything else in the vicinity is already existing in terms of facilities, the services are all laid out. So those 6 months that will be added are already existing, which will just be connected to this tower. So we
Right.
visualize in 2.5 years time, this tower will be ready for occupation.
Okay.
Uh, a word about, I'm sure all listeners would be interested in knowing about the price.
Mm.
The price range, Rudhir, in this entire area
Okay.
in the Golf Course Extension Road are ranging between 11,500 to 12,500 per square
Yes.
foot. But I guess keeping in mind the COVID-19 situations and by way of extending some concession to the potential buyers, the company has pitched the price at 7,950 as the base price.
Okay.
And they have extended some very interesting payment plans again to make life easy or convenient for the potential buyers.
Okay.
Can I briefly go over the payment plans, if you permit?
I,
Uh,
yeah. Please.
First plan is 10, 75, 15, which means the 10% is upfront at the time of booking.
Yeah.
75%, 75% payment, interest on the payment that is payable to the bank will actually be covered by the company, by the developer. So no payment is required to be paid by me as a buyer. And at the end of
Okay.
it, I pay 15% at the time of possession. So really speaking, willy-nilly, it boils down to being a 10-90 payment plan. That means I pay 10% upfront and 90% payment starts after the possession has been
Position.
offered to me. The
Yeah.
second payment plan is 30-30-40, wherein 30% is payable at the time of booking. Next 30% payment comes up on completion of the superstructure, and
Okay.
balance 40% is after completion, that at the time of possession, once all the services have been connected, the finishes have been finishing have been taken care of,
Right.
and the unit is ready for possession. So that's the time the last 40% payment happens.
Okay.
And last but not the least, the third option that is being extended is 50-50 payment plan. That means I pay 50% upfront, 50% on possession. The advantage being extended to me as a buyer
Okay.
is that on the first 50% which I pay, 9% interest is payable to the buyer on 50%, which by the time the possession takes place adds up to about 20 lakh, which can actually
Yeah.
be counted as a rebate or a discount being given by the
Okay.
bank. So I think these are all very interesting options and quite
Yeah.
lucrative options. The price is also quite reasonable, and there is nothing to choose between whether or not it will get completed and what kind of development it will come out, because it's all there for everybody to see. The potential buyers can actually go and visit Merlin and get a fair idea of what kind of a development they are going to be part of. So I think to that extent, Wealthy Walls can extend an invitation to the potential buyers to come and ask for a site visit.
Right. I think that's fairly, I would say, detailed insight, and that precisely leads me to the next question, sir, which is again nearing golf course extension area only. If a prospective buyer wants something in ready to move in a budget range of 75 to 90 lakhs, should be a fairly new and a good quality construction. So, which all will be your picks, probably, and why? I mean, if at all you can add your input to
Surely,
this.
surely. There are a number of projects actually which are either about to start, they are too early, they doesn't fit into your description of ready to be completed, ready to move in.
Yeah.
There is one such project actually which fits the kind of description that you have in mind, and that is the Tower Elevate. But Elevate does not fit into the kind of price range that you have in mind.
Yes. Okay.
If we're talking about sub 90 lakh kind of a bracket, then the project that comes to my mind is a project in the adjacent sector, that is Sector 68,
Hmm.
which goes by the name of Sierra. Sierra
Okay.
project is right next to another project being developed by Supertech, and this entire complex at the moment is about a kilometer from Sona Road, which is in close proximity to Golf Course Extension Road, and it is also in close proximity if somebody would like to travel towards Sona. It's conveniently located that way.
Okay.
And the overall project is on 13.5 acres of land. And most of the project actually superstructures, and in fact, the entire project is ready, except there are
Okay.
varying stages of finishes in these sub phases of this project, which
Okay.
actually we could cover if you are interested.
Yeah, in fact, I would really want because a lot of people, a lot of queries I receive, people talk about this project under various names. So, if you could take us to the sub phases that this project has, that will
Sure,
help
I'll be
our viewers.
glad to really. In fact, the overall project, 13 and a half acres, is goes by the name of Sierra. It's being
Okay.
developed by M3M. And in this, there are sub phases or sub parts of the project,
Right.
which go by the description of Sierra. That's the first part, and then there is Natura, and the third is Marina, and the last but not the least, the standalone tower goes by the name of Iconic. So these are the four subparts. Very briefly, if I were to cover these subparts, Sierra has got four towers, and
Okay.
this offers variations of 2 BHK and 2 BHK plus study. 2 BHK ranges between 1192 to 1242. These are the sizes of the units.
Okay.
And 2 BHK plus study is of 1478 square feet.
Okay.
The price quoted for Sierra is 6600 per square foot, and OC for this subpart has already been received. That's the interesting
Which is
information I would
Sierra,
like to
right?
share with you, which is
Okay.
Sierra. And anybody who bids for this take about 3 months for the unit to be completed, and he can move in. The
Okay.
payment plan for this is 5% at the time of booking and
Okay.
95% at the time of possession. The second subpart, which I told you, which we discussed, is called Natura. Very interesting names, all these. It's got again 2 BHK configuration option, 1192 to 1242. It has two towers of stilt plus 21 height. It also has a 2 BHK plus study option, which is 1478 square feet per square foot, and two towers. And price for this again is 6600, all inclusive. And the payment plan again here is 5% on booking and 95 at the time of possession. Take
Okay.
about the first one, Sierra, will take about 3 months, I guess, for somebody to be offered. By the time the booking process, etc., is completed, the house will be ready for occupation. And the Natura should be ready in about 6 months' time.
Okay.
It's got slightly, it has gone to
So,
6 months
sir,
additional.
yeah. When you
Yeah.
say ready, I mean ready in terms of getting possession or ready in terms of construction? Because I believe you said that the project is completed per se.
Project is completed per se in Sierra. the OC, that means the inspection part is over. So all that remains is when I say that, all right, I'm willing to pay, my documentation will start, and I say, all right, this is the unit I want. So the final ultimate finishing part in that particular flat will start being addressed, which takes about a month and a half's time actually to bring it, because there are certain fitments which are carried out only at the time of handing over. So that will take about 3 months. So in Sierra, I should be able to get possession of my unit in 3 months' time. In Natura, I have six months because there has been a little setback in terms of time because of COVID. There's slight interruption in construction, but otherwise the project is complete. The formalities in terms of obtaining the OC are going to be gone through. It's for that reason that I have chosen to add another 3 months. So instead of 3 months, I have said 6 months for Natura. Marina, coming to the next part, that has got slightly larger variation of the units. 2 BHKs are 1300 square feet here, and uh, and 3 BHKs are 1620 and 1714 square feet. As you can as you can see from the sizes of the flats, the bedrooms and the common areas are going to be larger, and it's going to be slightly more lavish in terms of scale. This is a tower, one tower with the steel plus 26 height. Specifications are higher, and therefore the price has been slightly raised. In this case, it is 7,300, 7,300 per square foot. Payment terms are 40/60. That means 40% at the time of booking and 60% at the time of possession.
And in this particular case, possession is going to be
Possession,
what time?
I would wager it could take about a year. It could take about 9 months to a year to be on the safe side. Let us say it will take a year. Uh, and then we come to a tower called Iconic, which has got only 3 BHK variation. It is single tower of steel plus 30 floors with 3 BHK, which are of 1,914, 1914 square feet. So
Okay.
large rooms, large
Yeah.
facilities, and the price here is slightly higher, 7,500 per square foot, and
Okay.
payment terms are again 40/60. 40 at the time of booking, 60 at the time of possession.
Right.
And so that's about it. I think I have generally answered your question with regard to the subparts of the overall project Sierra, which can be visited anytime through the
Yeah.
revenue road. And like I said, the 60 meters road, which is being developed by Supertech for both the projects, will take 6 months to 8 months actually to come up uh, from Sona Road to this area. This
Okay.
is about a
Okay.
kilometer in length.
Okay. No, in fact, this is quite exhaustive, detailed, I would say, and I'm sure these inputs are going to help our prospective buyers in collecting right information, before they kind of decide. To our viewers, if you would like to have any further information on these projects, specific to these two projects which Sir had talked about, you want any information, you can please, put a comment on our Facebook inbox. And any other topic or any other project, if you wish us to cover, we would surely be happy to do that as well. In fact, you are most welcome to have site visits also from our side. You can contact us, on that. Before I conclude, or before we sign off, closing remarks from your side, sir.
I would only say that with regard to Sierra, there's something that I'd like to mention before we start taking people out for the site visits. Is that at the moment the approach to the project is through a revenue road, which is a beautiful road. There's no problem, but the final road, 60 meters, is going to take another 6 to 8 months. So that is
Right.
something that I'd like the viewers to go and particularly take a look at. The second thing that they would like, I like to keep in mind that there is a fair amount of construction activity going on in view of the Sona Road being converted into a signal-free road. So
True.
uh, there are a number of subways and flyovers that are going to be coming
Yeah.
up.
Yes.
That construction work is actually going on in full pep. So when you go there first time, you might find that there is a lot of construction activity, which might sometimes, which tends to put us off. But it's
Yeah.
probably keeping these things in mind that the prices of these projects have been kept within our reach. And that's the interesting
Right.
part. And at about 6 months to 1 year's time, when all these things fall in place, then this is going to become uh, economically most viable kind of a project area to live in. And in terms of budget, because I've also had a number of people come to me and say, sir, my budget is within 1 CR, my budget is about 90 lakhs. So
Right.
those kind of budget descriptions are also matched by what Rudira just told us about this. And I would like to invite more and more people actually to come and have a look now that Corona is, I mean, whenever the time permits, the site visit is the best way to go and assess the project by yourself.
Right. Right.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you
Yeah. Sorry.
so yeah, yeah,
Now
please.
that I have this opportunity and I haven't signed off yet, uh, is
Please.
that what Rudhir had mentioned right in the beginning, and I had also in my introductory remarks said that after the generic and the generalized description of Gurgaon master plan and the Gurgaon development corridors, from this presentation onwards, we have decided to be more project specific. And now,
Yes.
in subsequent interactions, we are actually going to come up with well defined projects, and we'll try and cover within the confines of the time as much as possible the information which will be actually of interest to the potential buyers. And as Rudhir has said, we request you to actually send in your options and preferences of the area or project specific information that you'd like us to include in our interactive session. Thank you very much. And it's been such a pleasure again talking to you.
All right. I think thank you so much for your time and have a very good evening. And as sir said, see you definitely see you on coming weekend. And bye bye for now. Now, thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you so much.